Can you guess where I am? This is one of the most beautiful, probably, places in California. I'm at Mount Fraser by the Los Padres National Forest. The great part about the drive coming up here is that there are lots of pull-out areas by the side of the road if you want to get out. Just check out the view, the scenery. There are tons of places. Some amazing hiking spots up here too. The trails are great. There's a little kind of like a waterfall up by the top as well. Such a good place to come and just clear your mind. I'll keep up with this video and keep posting through this trip. What a view. This is Mount Fraser. California definitely has some of the most beautiful national parks, for sure, in the country. Some of them.